Welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of March, and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone, so take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person's current feelings towards you first, then we will see their intentions. Aries, your person's current feelings. Your person's current feelings towards Aries. Current feelings. Your person's current feelings. I think under the deck, Five of Cups. You both are in separation for some no contact situation. I think your person won't give up on you. Seven of Wands energy is here. They're planning to come back again. They're planning to coming back. But they're taking their time. But I think your person feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. For some, you both are maybe in a no contact situation. For some, there are some misunderstandings or fighting between you and your person, bad arguments, whatever. So let's see your reading and current feelings. The Lovers, first card. There is love. Definitely your person loves you, no doubt. I think for some, your person may be sometimes not available to you emotionally, because the Lovers always doesn't mean their love, because love means available to you emotionally and physically. When any person not available to you emotionally, they're playing, because we are humans. We need them when we are emotionally low. So I think there is some type of message I'm getting. Maybe they are not available, maybe they are busy at sometimes. That's why the separation had happened for some, because physical intimacy, physical attraction is more between both of you. Definitely your person loves you and they really want you back, but they're taking their time. Wheel of Fortune, divine timing. They are waiting for the right time. Maybe they are waiting for right opportunity, how to talk you to again, how to come towards you again. And Six of Wands. They want success in this connection and they really want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they will fight for you and they will fight for your attention. They won't give up on you. Yeah, because under the deck, Five of Cups with Seven of Wands. So they won't give up on you because they're missing you so much. They're very, very sad without you. They have love for you. They're waiting for the right time. When the time will come, they win you back again if you let them in. So divine timing plays key role in this connection, because Wheel of Fortune is in center. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see their intentions. So their actions depends upon totally on your situation, because everyone's situation is different, because this is general reading. So they will take action sometimes. They may take some time to take action. It depends. So let's see their intentions towards you. Aries, your person intentions towards you. Your person intentions. Two cards I'm not taking, but it is Four of Wands. They want celebration with you. They want to take this relationship to next level. They want to marry. Again, Four of Wands. Wow, what a coincidence. See? Aries, your person current intentions towards you. Five of Cups again. Maybe your person is walked away from you in past. Maybe they ghosted you. Definitely there is some separation. Five of Cups. Now they're feeling very, very sad. Maybe they walked away from you. Now they have regrets. Now they're feeling regret for that. Because Eight of Cups is here, definitely walking away. But they want this happiness with you. Four of Wands happiness, this celebration with you. They're thinking about, maybe they're thinking about the happy times with you. They're memorizing all the happy times with you. Definitely they want this happiness. And a Hierophant, maybe for some there are some issues between you and your person, commitment, marriage, whatever. I think they're really thinking about the marriage with you, and they want this happy life with you, their intentions towards you. Yeah, but Eight of Cups is here. Maybe this time your person have this all this in mind but not expressing to you. Maybe they decided to walk away for some, it could be any reason, family responsibilities or family pressure. But their intentions towards you, they would really want to marry you and they want this happiness with you. Maybe for some your person maybe walked away, but they are planning to come back again because they're waiting for the right time. Okay, because Wheel of Fortune with Six of Wands, they want success in this connection and they will fight for your attention again. And the Hierophant with Four of Wands, they really want to marry you, they want to take this relationship to next level. But there are some issues what I'm getting here, that's why maybe your person is walked away, but they will come back again. Because I'm seeing, because their feelings to come back, they're planning, they won't give up on you, they're missing you right now, they're missing you so much. The separation had happened between both of you, they're missing you so much because there is no equal give and take in past. See, they're suffering in silence. Yeah, they're very sad, they're feeling very very sad, and they're missing you so much. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Gemini. So let's see the outcome. I saw the Chariot. Yeah, they're planning but taking it very slow. Aries. Seven of Wands and Eight of Swords. Right now your person feeling stuck, and Seven of Wands, but they won't give up on you because Eight of Swords, right now they're feeling stuck, they don't know how to make a move towards you, how to communicate. There is so much confusion, they're feeling stuck. And Wheel of Fortune is here, definitely they're waiting for the right time. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you, definitely they're planning something. Reconciliation. See, maybe for some you walked away in this connection. Page of Cups, definitely some apology, communication is coming through towards you from your person. And maybe your person is walked away, then you also decided to walk away and invest energy on yourself. Definitely one person is walked away in this connection. Maybe you both walked away from each other, it could be anything. But Six of Cups, you both are thinking about each other a lot. There is a chance for reconciliation because Six of Cups is here. And Page of Cups, maybe your person returning with an apology, Aries. But it will take some time because right now your person feeling stuck. And yeah, because Wheel of Fortune is also there, they will make a move in a right time. I think they have so much love for you, but they are not showing you, what I'm getting here. They're showing on their face another thing, but having on their heart another thing. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aries. But they won't give up on you, they're coming back for reconciliation, they're coming back with an apology. Maybe you decided to leave this person behind. Got it. Nothing is at set into stone, definitely, because your person feeling stuck right now. It will take some time. Work through your fears, step out of your comfort zone, don't let your past hold you back. So if you're having any fears, Please work through it, overcome it. And this is the message, first message, step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, so this is the message, step out of your comfort zone and do hard work and be consistent. And don't let your past hold you back. So if you're having any past, if you have any past hurts, don't let hold you back that past. So moving on, just to meditate, heal yourself from that hurt. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.